Today we're going to dress up the interior of this beautiful 2017 GT350 with a custom carbon fiber dash kit from ACCELATEC. This custom 10-piece carbon fiber dash kit from ACCELATEC is going to figure 2015 through 2020 left-hand drive Mustang with Performance Pack. It's also available in the exact same left-hand drive kit for non-Performance Pack cars. Features 10 carbon fiber dress-up pieces for your dash and your center console along with your doors, and it's also easier to provide a double stick tape. This is a real carbon fiber overlay with a gloss finish. We're going to start over here on the driver door. Now what we're going to do is just dry fit it beforehand. Make sure you have the correct piece, but you can see how good the fit is. I mean, it covers every inch of the panel. I'm going to dry fit this one as well to make sure we have the correct size. But one thing I want to point out is there's a curve on the edge that even matches that trim, so it'll fit right inside. Really gives it a factory look when it's installed. We use a little bit of rubbing alcohol here just to clean it up. Again, if you have arm roll or anything on here, you want to take a little more time to make sure the surface is clean. It'll result in a much better installation. Basically, what you want to do is get it lined up now. Push it and hold so the tape sets up. Moving on the dash, again, dry fit everything first. Make sure you have the right pieces. Again, use rubbing alcohol to clean the surface and then remove the backing from the double stick tape. And basically you're going to install the rest of the kit in the same process. Make sure you clean the surface first, remove the backing, and install the carbon fiber. Now, in addition to the dash, it actually comes with two pieces for your back seat as well to cover these little side panels. Basically, so any rear seat passengers can see some carbon fiber too. For some people, you can never have enough carbon fiber, and if you love that look, the ACCELATEC kit's a great way to add it to your interior. The 10-piece kit will take a little bit of time to install. Give yourself about an hour or two, and you'll be back on the road in no time.